the farm today, daughter of a farmer, and Sizovuna. Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Alwande Jabalala and this is Moments Unfolded with Mamshengu, and that is moi. You guys, before we just begin the journey, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to your comments. And then you know the drill, we don't skip the ads, yeah? Guys, these are so nice. I don't even think they're gonna reach the destination where I'm going, because every 2 seconds I keep on having one. You guys, I'm just at the garage service station filling up. I'm coming home. Yes guys, I'm going home. Lalel akuphume endlini. Let me tell you, like I've been like, okay, let me leave now. No, but I just wanted to greet you, and then we shall vlog along the way. But yeah, stay tuned, you guys. We're nearly done. I was filling up and then they checked my tires, they washed my window, so then now we are going to go. Mamsheng is taking you home. Guys. Let's unfold these moments. Today I'm at Ezakheni, Section C. Ezakheni is a township in Ladysmith, and somebody had recommended this beautiful quarter from Grillo's. First things first, the place is clean, you guys. Like, big ups, you know what? And then, I think they took around about 15 minutes. Yeah. Guys, when I opened my quarter, I was like, Kevana, I kashem. Definitely 5-star treatment. I love me a quarter like this. Ikota mascota, guys. Okay? This is the quarter that I love. It was so beautiful. It was so tender and delicious. Everything was just beautifully well done. Shout out to Grillo's. I really enjoyed my quarter, and it was only 55 rands, kabang. And for all of this, a burger, chips, Russian, bacon. You guys, like, oh, the way I was so full. I really enjoyed it. Andy? Sawubona Anti.
Yabona njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngiya-DVD.
Awehli awunjani ulonga konja usemuhle mntakabhuti wami.
Mkhwenyana. Uzokuthengela i-iPhone. Awumfuni?
Uzongiqedelela le ndlu yami.
Cha, umkhwenyana uzothenga i-iPhone.
iPhone. Bese ngiyenza
uyiphathe anti. Shuthi ithombe uphile.
Sengiyofa.
Wena thandaza ukuthi azizi inkomo.
Sengifa.
Awuyifuni inkomo?
Nayo ifuna number yahlanhla.
Awuyifuni inkomo?
Yeah.
Awuyifuni inkomo?
Ngifuna phela ezilobola wena. Ibonile le lodilele lapha ekseni.
Ngiyakaje.
Mangiphuma ngithi hayi cha amalobolo kakho lena izilele lebaleni umkhwenyana sethe nje hayi uthi ngivele ngibanikeze inkomo bazobona.
Ayibo. You guys, let me give you some context. When we woke up today at my granny's house, there was a cow right there by the front yard. So that's what my aunt is referring to, saying that, oh, this leti inkomo. Hi guys. Guess where I am? I am home. I'm actually at my grandmother's house, and the glow is glowing. Like, you guys, indawo yasemakhaya gives you that vavavoom. I'm about to clean. I just wanted to open up this vlog, you guys. I think you saw me traveling. I just needed to distress. I just needed some nature, that ambience and stuff like that. But let's see what we get up to as we keep on unfolding these moments. I am inviting you to my home. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Let us clean. I'm actually about to clean the house. Let's clean the house. Let's make this house. Let's give it Mam Sheng's touch. Sharp. up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Guys, so I have cleaned the inside of the house. I just vlogged somewhere in between. Oh my goodness, the house is so big. I was so tired. I'm finally done. And then guess what? You don't just clean one house here. All houses in the homestead need to be cleaned. Okay, I'm just sweeping the stoop and mopping it. This is by the entrance, by the sitting area. You guys, you know what, these chickens, they like leaving their goodies over there by the stoop, which makes it so difficult to mop. Hey, and my back is killing me. I'm gonna slaughter one of these chickens and show them ukuthi mina ngumamshengu angeke ngidlale inkukhu nkosi yami. Moving on to the rondavelle. Oh, okay, the stoop here asikho siningi, so that was quick. Moving on to ilawu elinye. Guys, yabona, going home always trains me. Please, someone out there, please show mamezala wam, please show my mother-in-law ukuthi I am ready. Ready. I'm done cleaning my granny's house, you guys. Everything looks proper. I'm just having some cereal here in. Oh my goodness, I don't know when last I had cornflakes. Oh, later on in the evening, I had requested Ubabo Mkulwa, my father's older brother, to slaughter a chicken for me. I did say, ngizozibamba lezi nkukhu. Yeah, and my auntie here is doing the groundwork. I'm sorry, they slaughter for me, she clean, and then she will clean the chicken. The only thing that I will do is cook it and eat it. That is me, you guys. Guys, the chicken was pregnant. Hey, Bana. Not me feeling bad. Hi guys. It's another day, and we're unfolding these moments somewhere in the Bundus, Emakaya, you guys. I'm taking you farming today. You can see I have my tripod with. Guys, the way I applied sunscreen, I don't want to be burnt, but I'm telling you already, it's not even the sun, it's the water. It is getting worse. Look at my skin tone. Oh, we are en route to the farm, and my dad just had to take out the best of the best, you guys. The Ford, the Raptor. I mean, do you see this car? Do you see that it's got everything that we need for this journey of ours? Hi guys, it's another day. I'm at the farm today, daughter of a farmer, and Sizovuna. I will definitely take you through. This is beans. And then that's milli. What's that? You guys, I'm sorry, I did not want to edit this out the way it's so funny. Oh my goodness, not me and my auntie disagreeing. My aunt kept on saying it's milli meal. I'm like, no. Yo, guys, this is a shame. Anyways, like the word finally came up. It's corn, it's maize.
Hebana, oh, the way I laughed, oh my goodness. So you guys, once the beans have actually passed the green bean stage, once they hardened, right now we're just ripping them from the soil, and we're going to dry them as we are putting them in the sack. After drying them, that's when they will be ready for retail selling and stuff like that. Just check this out. This is beans and it is ready. It just needs to be dried. The skin is skinning. There's nothing much. I'm just showing you how dirty I am, how Makaya-ish I look. But ke, let us work. Kodwa ngimuhle still. How beautiful is this? Farming is life. This is beautiful. Over here, the corn has dried out. So the dried out corn is the corn that will be utilized for maize meal. As you can see, this is the white corn, which means that if I take it to the machine and put it inside and grind it, kuzopuma maize meal, you guys, your ace, and in this case, it's Mshengu's ace. Yeah, you guys. And then by this side, it's the green corn that is just for normal household utilization. But if it also dries out, it's going to be the same as the one that I'm currently pulling, you guys. So the one that I'm actually pulling, that's the one that's going to be used for maize meal, etc., even your samp, etc., etc. Ne? And I also found myself a pumpkin somewhere there in this farm. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to make its jingy or whatever the case may be. This corn is beautiful and nice and green. I'm definitely gonna get myself some. I'm here packing some corn for the road because I like umbilo osiwe. Let me know how you prefer yours. I prefer mine osiwe, you guys. It's so nice. Hey guys, sesivuna umbila manje. And mina, I'm saying to my auntie, this is my one for Gauteng. We're not gonna mix packets. I'm like, you guys, honestly speaking, sesisebenzile yazi my hands. Hi, auntie. Guys, I just wanted to say hi again. Let's. Muhle kabi lo wami lo. Amanye anti awukabona ngaze ngisakhumbula amathango ngilo ngiwabona la. Hi guys, I'm not sure you'll be able to hear me. We are done, so now I'm gonna go home. Yo, what a day! What a day, farm life. A sneak peek, nje, you guys, at all the work that still needs to be done. Over here we have potatoes, we've got beans, and yeah, please just have a look at this corn. So this is called the red corn. This is the one that is used for chickens, you know, chicken food, you guys. And then to make mealy meal, you just put it here, you grind it in that machine, and that's it. I actually asked my father, can you just please teach me how to drive a tractor? Like, if I needed to gain that skill from him, yes, I would love to drive the tractor. I mean, You guys, so what we're doing right now, I was just letting in the goats. Izimbuzi. I don't know what you call goats in your language. In Zulu, it's called imbuzi iyodwa. Izimbuzi if there are two. Hi. Hello. Hello, my snookums. Hello. Hello. And then, guys, do you know Impongo? Oh, the Mpongo just went that side. Aye, wena, she tripod yam. Oh. Impongo is a male goat, like. And then let me show you izinyane. I forgot what izinyane is in English. It's a baby goat. Look at how fluffy this one is. Oh my goodness. It's so fluffy. It's so fluffy. Hayi ngifuna ufaka nje nasedleni. Hayi right lona. Greenies. Oh nanko omunye right green pepper mkhulu ke bolo. Morning, you guys. Oh my goodness, it's so cold in Ladysmith. Yazi ibana. Like, I woke up, I wore a polo neck plus whatever, cause I'm not about to get cold. I was just showing you. I purchased a TV stand for my grandmother's place. It's a floating vanity TV stand. It's so nice. It's beautiful. So hopefully before I leave, they'll be able to do everything and mount it. And hopefully my dad will be able to do that. Yeah, but just giving Granny's house an update. It doesn't need one, honestly. I like my Granny's house looking like a Granny's house, but it's quite modern, taking into, like, it's a modern house. So yeah, like, it's a modern house, you guys. And the lighting is bad this side. The lighting is definitely bad. Last year I installed ceiling throughout the whole house. This type of PVC ceiling, I preferred this one. And then in the bedrooms, it was the normal white boards. I think you know those ones. I'm not even gonna show you, but yeah. It's just a project that I worked on before I actually started vlogging, so I couldn't take you on that one. But yeah, the whole project costed me plus 50,000 rands. Yeah. And then I said, okay, the final step, that's the last thing I'm gonna do in this house. And focus on my own things. This is my granny's house, by the way, you guys. Not my home, it's my granny's house. And what I'm doing for my paternal grandmother, I also did for my maternal grandmother. In 2020 and 2021, I renovated the house. So this is a project that I was just completing for my grandmother. And my grandmother's late, by the way. So it's just to honor her, honestly. Yeah. It's honestly to honor her, you guys. You know, yeah, so that's it. So hopefully my dad will get back here in time so that I can just take a snippet, show you how it looks, the final look. Otherwise, if it doesn't happen, I might have to come back another time. Yeah, well, because tomorrow I'm en route to another place. But let's stay tuned, you guys. Let's keep on unfolding these moments. Sharp. Over here, my dad and Ubabomkulu, they are assembling this TV stand. But by the look of things, I would leave before it is finished because it's literally the day before I'm actually meant to be leaving. But yeah, I'll just vlog this another time. As I'm looking at this view, I'm thinking of the Isibaya theme song. Wangalungangshelanga, wangalangaziluto,
wentombi ungiphoxela nezweni. Angisabhimbi wejesi. Awusosho ngayinsuqoma munye. Isibaya and I am Utandega. I am starring you guys. Guys, let us go to the tuck shop. I love me some Amakip. Ladysmith has got the best Amakip. I do not purchase Amakip from Gauteng, you guys. I love the red Kip Sne. Ngiyawathanda ngiwathanda njengemali, and you know when I say that. Got home, I got like 5 of them. Enjoyed. Asiphekeleni umndeni wami kwasisholo umbali. Kusho mina ke namhlanje kumamshengu. You guys, the chicken is out. One thing about me, I can only digest or eat a hard body chicken, the Zulu chicken, in Kokwe Zulu, 2 days after it has been slaughtered. I cannot eat it the day it's been slaughtered because I can literally smell the blood when it was being slaughtered. Ne? So a few days ago, my uncle slaughtered it. I actually put it in the deep freezer. So now I actually took it out and I'm just re-cleaning it and then cutting it up. I'm not even gonna make something fancy. I just want nje ukudla kwesiZulu, like you know that food ukudla wasekhaya, you guys. Ne? And this chicken is hard boarding, ne? And then I was like, no, we have to have this chicken with ujeke. Here I'm making ujeke. Some call them dumplings. It's not idombolo, because idombolo is when you put the dough inside the stew or the chicken or whatever the case may be. So yeah, this is ujeke because I'm cooking it separately. And you guys here, let me tell you, ngikala ngengqondo. You know, when you get home, you don't do these fancy measurements. Everything is right here, okay, in my head. Yeast, sugar, just a bit, flour, plus salts for tasting. Mix that together, warm water, and then we just need your dough. You need it, and then it all depends on how well you want it done. So okay, this dough is perfect for amagwinya even. It's just that I didn't have time, honestly. Irama ibincane, you guys, so I didn't want to waste. So after I'm done, I usually take something oily. It can either be margarine or oil, and then just wipe it on the lid so that when my dough rises, it doesn't become sticky. And if you know ujek, or when you're doing dumplings, the dough will rise. Guys, my auntie here was literally complimenting my hand, because guys, within 15 minutes, this is how my dough was. It had risen, you guys. Like, please, guys, give me ishweshwe and give me my in-laws so that I make them ujek wase natal. So ujeke wami is done. I poked it using a fork. That's why you can see that huge hole. My chicken, just simple chicken, nothing fancy. Oh, that drumstick looks so beautiful. I cannot wait. Yeah, you guys. So let me dish up for my family, ne? I wanted to show you guys literally by my granny's house, the nature and how everything looks beautiful. This is called Ingula River. Guys, if I tell you the stories that I've heard as a young child of the snake that has got 7 heads in Kanyamba here, hey, I don't think you'll finish watching this vlog. But apparently there is one living underneath. And I'm sorry if that's meant to be kept a secret. You guys, I'm washing my car. My car was too dirty. There was no way I'm gonna drive with that car, because it was literally just it was so dirty, you guys. And again, I have got all of the car essentials: dashboard cleaner, silicone, wash and wax. Look at my car looking brand new. Yeah, bana. This Ford Ranger of mine. Go mamshengu. Oh, and inkomo zam just had to come and greet me. After all the hard labor that I was doing at home, I went to Richards Bay just for a mini vacay, and I said, let me just go to a spa, you guys, and just treat my body, ne? So let's just keep on unfolding these moments. I definitely needed this treatment.
Sugar scrub. So now what you're going to please do for me is you're going to lie with your face in a hole
Okay.
on these towels. This sheet is going to cover you like a blanket. Don't wrap yourself, just cover yourself. Use gel.
No, it's
Pretty. It's so pretty.
hands are so soft.
Thank you.
Hi guys, it's me again. You can see different environment. Guys, decided to go on a mini vacation, just a mini holiday. After being home, after working. Let me look at this. Ooh, it's giving Real Housewives of Johannesburg. I'm still gonna put on my lipstick, however, I just want to show you how I look. I'm wearing a bob. Love me some bobiology. I'm wearing my bob. And then I have on this Luella dress. You recall, you guys, I think you know this dress. I think you know it. I recall when I started vlogging, this is the dress that I actually purchased. I purchased it on the original price, but I know Bash actually had it on sale. Yeah, it was 1,100 when I purchased it, but I know it was on sale recently for like 8,799. Yeah, this Luella dress. The prints are printing, you guys. Like these prints. I know that most streets they have this dress as well, but the prints are not printing as these ones. The Luella prints, not the Foschini. I know that in Foschini there's a Foschini brand and Luella. I'm speaking of the Luella prints. They print. And let me just tell you guys how I keep it. I keep it in a sock. It's my first time wearing this dress. It's like in a pantyhose, you guys. Yeah, I literally came to vacation with a pantyhose. And then I have on some rings. Ooh, I have on these rings. Don't worry guys, they haven't proposed as yet. But it's giving. It's giving. I'm tempted to put it here, but hey. Growing up, we were told that it's bad luck putting a ring on the ring finger. Please let me know if that's just stereotypes. There's no such. Let me actually show you. Ooh, stand up, baby girl, stand up. Girl, I still have on my slippers. I'm gonna change, but this is how I look. I just love this dress, you guys. Like, to the left, to the right, to the side. I can't wait to take photos. You know what? I recall when I bought it, I actually did put on a belt, and it worked. I will still wear this dress with a belt. Not a figure belt, those tiny belts, a beige one actually. You know, the tan brown would work wonders with a gold thingy here. Beautiful. Or maybe it might not have a gold, just the ones that you put like this, like you just, I don't know how to describe it, but where I got you guys, then just tuck it in. That belt, ooh, look at that figure. So good. Yeah, this is how I look. Look at that. This is how I look. I'm just gonna put on lipstick then leave you guys, but yeah, The lipstick is for photos, otherwise I know when I come back I'm gonna have my wipes so that when I eat it's top shayela. But yeah, let us go, ne? Let me sit down and then so you guys, let us go, ne? Come in.
Lana yini usifunda nawe. As I'm driving, I'm just being grateful. My trip went very, very well. I enjoyed my stay at home, and I'm just doing a mini prayer where asking God to just bless my father and his hands, because the work that he's doing over there is definitely beautiful. You guys, I definitely needed this break. And I'm so grateful to one of my subbies, Portia. She did say that, Mam Shengu, you also need some rest. And I'm happy that I did take this holiday of mine.
Hey guys, oh my goodness, I'm so tired. I drove 7.5 hours from Richards Bay to my place. I just got back. Whew. And I didn't stop. I did not stop because Kiai to Richards Bay, it's very, very far. Guys, no. Yes, I'm looking at my skin tone. Being home, it's just weird. Oh my goodness. Like, oh, you guys, one thing about Ladysmith, I'm telling you, the water does not agree with me. Whenever I go there, like, the difference. But you guys, I just wanted to close off the vlog. I'm busy taking stuff from the car. The first thing I did was switch on the geyser. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna eat, sleep, and rest. And like 7 hours on the road without resting is no child's play. And the road from Richards Bay to Fryhead is not good, honestly speaking. There are so many trucks there which are carrying sugar cane, and there are potholes. I hope I didn't ruin my tires, honestly, because for some potholes I couldn't even see them. But anyways, I just wanted to say toodles, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed, ne? Please don't forget to like, comment down below, and I hope you did not skip the ads. I look forward to your engagement, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Love, Mom Shing.